when you're learning, you're also experiencing a state of mind that is uniquely associated with that activity. You know, there are a thousand variety of exciting states of minds that are so unique and different from each other. If we have to write down the words of good, happy states, we have a limited vocabulary. We would say happy, excited, curious. But just like, you have green, you have blue, but between green and blue, you have thousand different shades. And between pink and cyan, you have a huge variety of shades. And just like between two notes, you have so many different micronotes. And just like between two rhythms, you have so many variations. Like, once upon a time, everybody used to play, flat, like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then somebody realized that you skip a little bit, then it becomes a shuffle, right? And then you have, so instead of 1, 2, you have 1, 2. And then it becomes blues. And just like in nature, anything that is natural, you see that there are no concrete boxes. There are actually a lot of variations in between. Even with emotions and states of mind, just joyful and happy, you actually have a variety of states in between two different basket of states. And I personally feel that life is more exciting and fun when you have access to more number of states. And to me, that is one of the most important aspect of learning, is that you're just not understanding a concept or a technique, but then when you're learning, you're also experiencing a state of mind that is uniquely associated with that activity. Now, if some of you have experience here dancing, or some of you have experience with music, or if some of you have experience with some form of art, you might know that when you perform those activities, one, what you do on the outside, the music you produce, the dance you produce, and the art is exciting. But even more exciting is the way you feel when you do that art. And sometimes you play one type of music, the way you feel is different from playing another type of music. Same thing with doing business. Same thing when business people solve a complex problem. There's a challenge, and you're solving that problem. Business people have to go into creative states of mind. A lot of time, people think that creativity is just art and music, but creativity, in my opinion, is actually the activity by which you generate new choices, even when there are constraints and limitations put around you, right? Creativity is about creating new choices. And a lot of times, business is all about creativity, right? So you have the same circumstances, you have everything the same, and then you figure out how to make it a win-win, how to make something out of nothing. And that's what really creativity is. And there are hundreds of different variety of creative states that you can experience.